Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Atlantic Ocean Suites. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms and a non-smoking rooms. Featuring barbecue facilities, Atlantic Ocean Suites offers accommodations in Old Orchard Beach. Complimentary Wi-Fi is featured. All of the units feature a private bathroom, flat-screen TV and fully equipped kitchen. Some units include a dining area and/or a terrace. Guests can enjoy the indoor saltwater pool at the property. Old Orchard Beach Pier is a 3-minute walk from the aparthotel, while Palace Playland is 1,000 feet away. Portland International Jetport Airport is 9.3 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.